friends. We're gonna go to the beach this week, so it's called Let's Go to the Beach. What are we gonna take? Here's a bag. It says, let's pack a swimsuit. Let's pack a towel. Let's pack an umbrella. Let's pack sunglasses. Let's pack sunscreen. Let's pack a bucket and shovel. Let's pack a beach chair. Let's pack a beach ball. My page is stuck, friends. Let's pack flip-flops. Look how fun. This one has flowers. This is blue and yellow. Let's pack goggles. It's all gonna go in the bag. What a fun day at the beach. Bye, friends.